Here is an example of Evolve Stone's weather barrier system. To ensure proper installation, please follow all installation guidelines found on the resource page at evolvestone.com. When installing rain screen around corners, cut and abut all inside and outside corners. This detail will prevent tenting or bunching. The first stone you lay should be flush with the adjacent wall. Alternate the joints for each course. You may need to cut a stone to maintain your style.